Hello, and welcome to Deerlake's virtual open house. At the conclusion of this short video, you will be able to go to each teacher's Canvas page, and they will have a video describing their certain class either on their home page or inside the announcement page. I want to take this time to welcome everybody, students and parents, to Deerlake Middle School. This is a great school to be at. We have a lot of things that are happening now. We have some clubs that are already active and participating in beta and SGA. We have 2 sports already starting up in softball and cross country. Second 9 weeks we'll also have track starting up. Should you want to participate in track or in SGA, please make sure you contact the school. Mrs. Smithson is our SGA representative. She will be sending out some information later on, possibly on elections for SGA. Mr. Stimley is our athletic director, and he'll be the one you need to contact for anything sports related, or perhaps if your student would like to do track in the second 9 weeks. With our virtual open house, I hope you guys understand the new format and the situation that we're in with the pandemic. We obviously want to see everybody. We want to see all our parents. We want to see our students and their smiling faces. But at this point, this is the safest way that we can get to where everybody can meet their teachers safely. And parents, I hope you, if you have any questions, please feel free to call the front office. You can email myself. If there is a curriculum question out there, you can obviously email Mrs. Scott or Mrs. Oliveri. If there's an attendance question, please email Mrs. Scott. If we have any of our exceptional students out there and you have a question on anything that is happening in their classes or an IEP, please email Mrs. Scott also. With both of that, we also still have both our guidance counselors still here on campus. They are working with our brick and mortar students, and they are more than willing to talk to any student at home inside of our digital academy. Please make sure you contact Mrs. Thomas or Mrs. Smithson for any information that you might need. Again, welcome to Deerlake, and at this time, please feel free to go over to our Canvas page and join. We have more information that also will be sent out through the year, and if you haven't done so, make sure you also join our listserv. Thank you.